What's the meaning of Carrie Nation? Carrie Nation. Carrie Nation.
Carrie Nation. Carrie Nation. Carrie Nation was an American temperance activist who lived in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. She was known for her radical tactics in advocating for the prohibition of alcohol, including smashing up bars with a hatchet. Nation believed that alcohol was a destructive force in society and sought to eliminate it entirely. Her actions brought her national attention and made her a divisive figure. While many admired her tenacity and commitment to the cause, others criticized her violent methods. In the end, her efforts helped pave the way for the eventual passage of national prohibition.